namin at ang mga parents na sinamahan yung kanilang mga anak para makipag-compete dito sa chess tournament na in-initiate ng aming class, PMA class, Masik High Class, 1999. Sabi ko nga kanina, nung nag-uusap kami ni Sir Marlon, kung bakit namin naisipan ito, dahil nga ina-advocate ng aming klase na taas yung o i-develop yung critical thinking skills ng ating mga kabataan at sapagkat merong findings, may mga nababalitaan tayo na ang Pilipinas ay mababa sa aspeto ng o kalidad ng ating sa kabataan. Yung
Number 4, illegal moves. Ang ating pong penalties for illegal moves ay batay po sa Appendix 8.3. First, offense is 1 minute plus 1 minute to the opponent. Second offense is loss of the game. Ano po ba yung mga illegal moves? Tulad po ng wrong movement of a piece, exposing one's feet to attack, capturing the king, non-replacement of a piece after pound promotion, using two hands in making a move, pressing the clock without making a move. 7 rounds twist system. Ang ating pong health safety regulations, wala naman po tayong mandatory face mask, pero kung nais po mag-face mask, okay lang po yun. Number 1 is about defaulting time. Ang defaulting time po natin, napakahalaga, ay running time, which means 10 minutes. Pag ang arbiter po, which is chief arbiter, pag sinabi ko na po, starting time, I would direct our arbiters to express lahat with or without opponent ng mga clock.
So, palakpakan natin sila. Siguro, the next month, siguro kung maka-organize na naman kami ng isa pa. Kasi first ito, may second pa. So again, we will invite all the players na nandito, yung mga kaibigan nyo, yung mga relatives and friends na gustong sumali para sa next na palaro, mas marami ng premium, mas maraming nanalo, at mas maraming irarapon natin siguro para mas masaya. So again, thank you very much for supporting this endeavor, yung to promote, sabi ko nga kanina, to develop the critical thinking of our young ones. And at the same time, mag-acquaintance, that is to promote relationship, friendship, and partnership. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
You know.